All right, good afternoon, everyone. Hey. So my name is Joe Brantuck, and I'm Nasdaq's Chief Client Officer, and it is truly my great pleasure to welcome Viatris and its CEO, Scott Smith, to the market site this afternoon. Now, I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to members of the leadership team, employees, and frankly, just a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests. We're so excited that you could all join us right here at the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. And we are thrilled to have you here as we celebrate the impact Viatris has made on patients worldwide. This year alone, you have received many accolades, such as being named to Forbes' World's Top Companies for Women, Time's World's Most Sustainable Companies 2024 list, USA Today's list of America's Climate Leaders 2024, and last but certainly not least, Forbes' World's Best Employer 2024 list for the fourth consecutive year in a row. Guys, what do you guys say? I think that deserves a big round of applause. So Viatris is committed to expanding global access to high-quality medicines, fostering innovation, and maintaining sustainable operations. The company leverages its global healthcare gateway to connect patients with products and services worldwide, emphasizing a diverse and differentiated portfolio. With strong Q3 results this month, Viatris continues its 2024 momentum, and we are really excited to see what's to continue in 2025. So Scott, you and your team have a profound impact on so many lives, and we'd like to congratulate you and the entire team on all that you have achieved. We are very proud to have you in our family of listed companies and wish you many more years of success. And now, please join me in welcoming Scott to the podium. Scott, come on up. Congratulations. Great to have you here.
Thank you. So thank you very much, Joe, for the kind introduction, and good afternoon to everybody, and thank you for turning into today's closing bell ceremony at Nasdaq. I have with me, joining me is the board chair, Melina Higgins. I would like her to please come on up and join me here. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Melina and the entire board for your leadership, partnership, as we continue to work closely towards successfully executing our strategic objectives, accelerate growth, and return value to shareholders. On behalf of Viatris' executive leadership team and our 32,000 colleagues around the world, it's a tremendous privilege to be here today to ring the Nasdaq closing bell in celebration of all that our company has accomplished. We have built a unique global pharmaceutical company with the scale to bring patients access to high-quality medicines worldwide. As we move forward, we are working to build on the strength of our base business with an expanding portfolio of innovative, best-in-class, patent-protected assets that have the potential for meaningful revenue growth and patient impact. I want to take this time to extend my sincere thanks to our employees worldwide and the approximately 1 billion patients who trust us to serve them, and to our shareholders for believing in our mission. Thank you to the entire Nasdaq family for hosting us today. And now let's go ring the closing bell. Thank you.
I certainly want to thank you both for the trust and partnership in Nasdaq. We can't think of a better way to celebrate all your success than having you both here and your entire team with us this afternoon to ring today's closing bell. And to commemorate that, I would like to present you both with the closing bell crystal. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.